how to fix Valorant. uh, how to fix this problem on Valorant. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you need to do, just type here task manager, click on it. Now just make sure there is no application here related to Valorant, like Vanguard Riot Games or Valorant icon. Just scroll down and make sure, and that's it. As you see, there is no application here, and if you find it, just click on it and click end task. And now let's move to the next step. Type here services, scroll down, and here we'll find VGC. Right click on it and go to properties, select automatic and click apply and OK, and then just wait and close it. And after that, just if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to manage settings. First go to virus and threat protection and go to manage settings, turn off real-time protection, and that's it. After that, just try to open Valorant and you will find that your problem is fixed. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.